So today we are here at Baskets Galore looking at our thank you gift baskets. So I have Baskets Galore especially appreciative thank you gift.
I've got the ideal thank you gift, and even in terms of those namings, you can see our philosophies towards why we are doing these videos.
Yeah, I think in gifting, if you go to say thank you to someone, you go flowers, you go a bottle of something. It's what is the third option, and that is where we have come in with what we think a proper thank you gift should look like.
We want to raise the profile of the humble gift basket. It's not the cheap version of hampers. It is the more imaginative, exciting, fancier, thoughtful version of the hampers themselves. These are we do hundreds of these.
Lots and lots.
Over years, these are the things that people have commented upon, liked, enjoyed most, and get a really favorable feedback.
So to start off, we have finished our gift baskets with both of ours have these thank you candles, so it has the message, the meaning, the sentiment behind it already there. And luckily, as we do these in-house, we make them here in our warehouse. We have our sleeves for our cakes, just to say thank you. So it's we have it right there, front and center, what this gift is for. If you're going to do it yourself, maybe try and find something, even if it's a card that says thank you, that you could, place somewhere, just to finish it off so that it's not confused as anything else. We know it's for thank you.
Trying to guess what people's tastes and flavors are tends to be a difficult thing to do. So when you're putting together your products or whatever, keep them kind of high quality but neutral. And don't go down the route of too many savory things, because that can be a more personal thing, whereas the sweeter, the biscuits, the chocolates and whatever tends to be more universal.
But a cake as well is a nice expensive personal kind of cake that they can share, is a nice way
it's a fresh cake, so you can get something printed off. It's so easy now on a printer.
Yeah, you can do it in supermarkets.
We obviously don't.
Now.
We're professionals. We're going to have them bought in cardboard and designed and everything. But you can just print something off and put it around. Maybe a popular cake or whatever. We choose chocolate because maybe in the past you put fruitcake in, but it's very often associated fruitcake with whenever you don't actually like somebody so much, particularly in America. Did you know that?
I didn't know that.
There's an expression. What am I going to do? I'm going to send them a fruitcake. It's something that you send something that you don't really like that much, but you just send them a fruitcake. You didn't know that?
Didn't know that.
No. Okay.
So we've gone for chocolate cake in ours.
Chocolate cake.
What else have we got? We've got expensive kind of petite desserts, little chocolate box, lint. Here, also have some little bars here, nutritious energy. This one's got protein, high fiber, less sugar.
Well, the little bars are essentially you put these into a gift basket. They're the fillers type of stuff, but you can still do fillers tastefully. You don't just have to be nasty, okay, well that'll do type stuff. And so our fillers are around a certain flavor, a certain quality, a certain taste or whatever. Again, high quality types of ones. And so if you're going in and you're making your own around the shops, don't just put random
offer the things that are right there that someone would buy for themselves.
Our unifying combinations here are of healthier aspects, but still nice. You're introducing people to different flavors.
What have you got in?
Well, for instance, I've got some sweets here, some figs, chocolate-colored figs, Swiss biscuits and organic biscuits here at the front. Something where it's going to be remarkable upon, not just your standard brands that you find in supermarkets, but from an organic farm or something like that, which just sort of goes, hey, I really value your input to this.
But I think if you are sending a thank you gift and you've landed on us, it's a gift basket is definitely your pinnacle, the third option that people forget about, that it's not going to be alcohol, it's not going to be flowers, that this is something that you should definitely consider.
It's not going to be a hamper.
No, hampers are... They're not wow enough initially, maybe.
I agree
is that,
with that,
yeah.
They don't have enough visual impact.
Yeah.
They're okay. They, like, people say, oh, it was lovely to receive, like, don't get me wrong. And we send a lot of thank you hampers, but in terms of just something different or something which gives you that sort of impact, and you're into the realm of thank you gifts and you're looking for a really luxury, clever, unique, different way of sending a thank you message, then the gift baskets and this combination or arrangement of gifts is a really good idea.
Yeah.
For which you can just copy it completely.
So if you're going to do it yourself, start with a basket or a box, something that you can find, and start adding your items on top. Again, it doesn't have to have any. Some of ours have color schemes. That's not the purpose behind it. It's just the sentiment.
Yeah, the sentiment to it. Start with the thank you things. Get a few little thank you things together. Put them towards the front of your gift so that again wows it.
Build it around it
with foods and snacks and whatever that you think they're going to enjoy. Make it something. We're just here to make something a wee bit different, a wee bit unusual, something which offers a solution to the more awkward, difficult occasions. And thank you can be a difficult one because there's so many different types of times when you were looking for a thank you gift. This is a suggestion for you to potentially imitate or come up with
purchase.
your own. Okay.